This timeline maps architectural changes in enterprise software. Before 2024, software was a system of record, a digital filing cabinet. By 2025, we reached assistive AI. These tools act as advanced calculators, remaining idle until a human prompt triggers an action. The 2026 model introduces Agentic AI. These systems use autonomous digital employees that can reason through multi-step tasks and make operational decisions within established guardrails. Software has shifted from a storage tool into a proactive workforce that initiates its own workflows. To see this shift in practice, we will examine autonomous agents in 3 sectors: property management systems, financial fraud prevention, and global e-commerce. This shift requires a change in how businesses use human labor. On-site teams are moving away from manual task execution to focus on the strategic governance of their AI agents. Managing an autonomous workforce requires a different architectural interface. Systems must be built for orchestration and oversight rather than simple data entry. To scale operations and address the current labor crisis, companies are restructuring the way their human staff interfaces with their databases. Entrada's Agentic Property Management System provides an early look at this operational change, moving the industry towards autonomous property management. This isometric diagram shows the bottleneck of traditional software. When AI logic is separated from data silos, it causes syncing delays and hallucinations. But with a unified data layer, native nodes embed directly inside databases, allowing instant access to resident history. While competitors like Yardi Virtuoso act as conversational assistants for analytical queries, Entrata uses specialized agents to execute workflows, such as managing the entire leasing process from inquiry to move-in. Managers oversee this digital workforce through OXP Studio. This dashboard allows regional directors to toggle specific agents on or off across an entire portfolio. Within this center, operators set operational guardrails. For example, a manager can program an agent to handle rent collection outreach, but prohibit it from waiving any late fee over $50 without human approval. This allows a single regional manager to monitor thousands of autonomous resident interactions and maintenance requests in real time. Native database integration transforms property ledgers from passive records into a self-managing workforce. This shift toward agency is also visible in the financial sector, where it has changed how companies defend against global transaction fraud. In 2024, traditional analysts relied on static rules, creating massive backlogs and alert fatigue, where overwhelmed reviewers missed coordinated attacks. Today, agentic workflows remove the queue. Stripe fraud agents instantly block interconnected global threats and verify identities via APIs at sub-second speeds. The system logic has moved away from reactive if this, then that rules. It now focuses on predictive detection, identifying fraudulent infrastructure before the first charge is even attempted. Human analysts now use natural language to update global policies. They can instruct the agent to be more aggressive in a specific region, and the agent instantly replans its detection logic across the entire portfolio. Autonomous agents defend businesses at the speed of the API, making manual transaction review an obsolete liability today. In e-commerce, agentic systems manage everything from B2C storefronts to global B2B supply chains. This diagram contrasts a traditional Shopify workflow with an agentic one. Traditionally, merchants spend hours hunting through fragmented analytics and manually setting up campaigns. Now, Shopify Sidekick autonomously detects conversion drops, runs A/B tests, and prepares discount campaigns for one-click approval. The agent also functions as a developer, instantly generating no-code logic for custom requests. In B2B procurement, traditional sourcing requires vetting dozens of suppliers and tracking RFQs through messy email threads and spreadsheets. Alibaba's Axio agent automates this process. It identifies top suppliers, gathers quotes, and negotiates pricing based on the merchant's target ROI. The agent then cross-references manufacturing certifications against current international compliance and eco standards for the merchant's target market. If a material shortage is detected in one region, the agent proactively reroutes a portion of the production to a backup supplier in another country to protect the deadline. These systems give individual operators the procurement and compliance power of a global enterprise team. Across every industry, we see the same architectural transition toward autonomous execution. Enterprise software now functions as a system of action. These platforms execute logic directly and manage workflows, replacing the static data storage models of the past. This shift allows businesses to grow their portfolios and transaction volumes without a proportional increase in headcount. The modern worker operates as a strategic orchestrator. Instead of doing manual data entry, they govern an autonomous digital workforce from a centralized control tower. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.